Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can rewrite 2 sine x equals to 4 cos x minus 1 all over tan x in the form of 6 cos squared x minus cos x minus 2 equals to 0. Now the first thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to rewrite the question. So now what I did now is that I rewrite the tan x as sine x over cos x, but we know that the tan x, what we have there is 1 over tan x, which is equals to cot x. So cot x is the same thing as cos x over sine x. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to multiply the right hand side. So we have, so now I have to cross multiply so that I will have 2 sine squared x at the left hand side. So after cross multiplying, we have 2 sine squared x equals to 4 cos squared x minus cos x. But now we want our answer to be in the form of cos x. So I have to get rid with this sine squared x, right? I have to get rid with sine squared x. So but we know that sine squared x is equals to 1 minus cos squared x from the trigonometry identities. So I have to plug in 1 minus cos squared x for sine squared x. So now the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to open this bracket. Open the bracket, I have 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 minus 2 multiplied by cos squared x, I have minus 2 cos squared x. Then which is equals to 4 cos squared x minus cos x. So the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to collect the like terms. I'm going to connect like term because I'm going to move this minus 2 cos squared x to the right hand side. I'm going to move it here, and we need to add them together. So 4 cos squared x plus 2 cos squared x will give me 6 cos squared x and minus cos x minus 2, which is equals to 0. So perfect. So now we've gotten what we were expected to get, because the question says show that 2 sine x is equals to 4 cos x minus 1 over tan x can be expressed in the form of 6 cos squared x minus cos x minus 2. So now we can notice that what is here is actually what we got, right? Actually what we got here, which is actually the same thing as what we have here. So now here comes to the end of the video. If you like this video, subscribe on my YouTube channel, like and comment. Thank you.